Here's a 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Calera ceiling fan. This fan is from March of 2004. And this fan, I got two of them off of a Craigslist listing for very cheap. And I've always wondered how these compare to the Hampton Bay Gazebo, because this is pretty much Lowe's version of the Hampton Bay Gazebo. Now, I will say the performance on this is just under the Hampton Bay Gazebo. It's pretty close, but the build quality is just not there on these. Many things are just missed on it. The blade brackets are very flimsy. The globe is a much thinner glass than the gazebo has. I'm trying to think of what else. I will say the blades do look very cheesy with just the gloss white, as the gazebo has the fake wood grain white, which looks much better than this. But this does serve its purpose though, and it's not a terrible fan. Yeah, so when I got these, I will say, I was quite upset to see that the whole fan was totally dismantled. Now, the guy went way overboard taking apart this fan. He took off the blades, the light kit, the downrod, the canopy, and not only that, he took off the motor housing, he took off the pull chain switches, he cut the lead wires, and he pulled out the reverse switches and capacitors. So, both of them were a huge mess. I also got two other fans along with it, and they're also a big mess. So I spent at least 2.5 hours putting everything back together, getting the crimp nuts and crimping them back together because he ripped them apart. Anyway, I'll demonstrate it. Here's the light. The other one has a missing globe. This is the only globe that I got. Has paint all over it. I'll show you at the end of the video. But yeah, it's low, hums like crazy. All in all, though, the Hampton Bay Gazebo is just a much better fan than this. It just runs better, it looks a lot more solid than this. So, if you're ever debating on getting one or the other, I suggest going with the Gazebo. Mainly got these just to solely experiment. And they're also challenge fans too. I've seen them around a lot in more places than I care to name. Medium. Also, the blades are all mismatched between both of them, so this thing's gonna wobble pretty badly. And it's all out of clock too. And high. Doesn't move terrible there. see they did a number on this. The covers are cracked, especially that one. I'll show you the globe. Actually, I'll slide it over a little bit. All that paint. Whatever though, here's the top. All the UL tags and stuff up there. I think that's the date. Yeah. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.